Hope doing well. Today I tried to use the lighter, this one, to desolder the SMD package. As you can see, this is my SMD package. I have 4 transistors SMD one here, and I used a little bit solder paste here, or oil. I'm not sure what we should call this. And I have one 12-volt battery. The lighter body is connected to the positive one, and the negative side is connected to my tweezer. That's it. I will keep here the lighter and will connect my tweezer. I keep it for a few seconds. Very nice, it's ready. Very well. No, it's not ready yet. It is much better than hot air because of in a few seconds it's ready, and also we can set exactly the temperature. Very nice. You can see it is done. 2 of transistor. I'm going for the next 2 transistors. I'll keep it here. Yeah, it's ready, and 4 of them. Yeah, very nice. Here is the lighter. You can see that. What is gonna be make the good enough temperature for desoldering this package. Very nice. Don't forget for the good enough temperature for the desoldering this package. You can see 4 transistors. Take out. Very nice, with no problem. It's much better to use the cheaper lighters because of within 2-3 months you should change it, because of the new and fresh lighters will work much better. Thanks for watching.